When studying a Markov chain, there are two different questions we can ask. One asks what could happen. The other asks how likely each outcome is. These lead to two very different methods. Simulation uses randomness to generate one possible future. Starting from sunny, the weather changes according to the transition probabilities. Each step is like rolling a weighted die. The result is one possible path through time. Run the simulation again, and you may get a completely different result. That's because simulation produces sample paths. It shows one possible future, not the exact probabilities. Instead of simulating one path, we can calculate all possibilities at once. We start with a probability vector, then repeatedly multiply it by the transition matrix. After 10 steps, we obtain the exact probability distribution for day 10. After 10 days, the calculation predicts the probabilities. There's about a 66.7% chance of sunny weather and about a 33.3% chance of rainy weather. These are the exact probabilities after day 10.